She was not in distress. This was not a critical patient that was being flown away from Sierra.
Questioning the emergency, the parents of a SkyLife crash victim say a deadly flight might have been unnecessary. The patient, pilot, paramedic, and nurse, they all died in the crash last December in Kern County.
And now Kathryn Brown's family is the second to file a wrongful death lawsuit blaming the helicopter company for her death.
Pictures are all Kathryn Brown's parents have left of their daughter. They're also a reminder of what they've lost.
Gathering up photographs, thinking about her memories really causes her a lot of pain.
Brown died in a SkyLife helicopter crash last December. The substitute teacher got sick during the school day at Sunnyside Union Elementary, complaining of head, shoulder, and arm pain, and she went to Porterville's Sierra View Medical Center. According to a wrongful death lawsuit filed this week by her parents, doctors plan to just monitor her and give her some treatments. But their protocol is to move someone with symptoms like Brown's to a bigger hospital. She was headed to Bakersfield when the chopper crashed.
But at the time that she left, she was awake and speaking with the doctors, and they said she had no problems communicating with them. As a matter of fact, her condition had very much improved.
The lawsuit against Rogers Helicopters questions whether the conditions were safe enough to make the flight. A preliminary NTSB report says visibility was 10 miles and the Bell 407 was just cruising when it hit the ground in hilly terrain. The rescue crew said it was foggy when they got there. Lawyers for the helicopter company didn't respond to our requests for comment, but they have listed some defenses in a response to a lawsuit from the family of paramedic Kyle Juarez, who also died alongside Brown, pilot Thomas Hampl, and flight nurse Marco Lopez. They called it an unavoidable accident, claimed negligence by Juarez, and said the crew knowingly exposed themselves to risk. Lawyers for Brown's family say the crew may not have felt like they had any choice but to fly.
Helicopters are expensive, and so there is probably some pressure to get the job done.
The NTSB investigation is not finished yet, but the Juarez lawsuit is set for trial in October.